In this tutorial we are going to continue with the second chapter. So using functions to perform basic calculation. So what do we mean by functions? So functions are mainly predefined commands which the Excel already know. So calculations done using formulas can be at times a bit tiresome, means you have to put up the formulas yourself, so it may be tiresome. So that's why therefore Excel has an entire library of functions or predefined formulas. So it performs calculations by specific values in a particular order. So while using a function, so you have to give the values in a particular order. The order in which you insert a function is important. So the way in which the function is put up is important. Okay, so each function has a syntax, means the way of writing. If you want the function to work correctly, each function in Microsoft Excel starts with the equal to sign. So each function starts with the equal to sign, then the name of the function, then the function argument. So as you can see here in this side, here starting the formula is starting with this equal to, then sum is the function name, and this a2 and a5 are the arguments, means the values which you are passing inside a function is known as the argument. Okay, each function receives a specific kind of argument, which can be numbers, text, date, or logical values, true or false. Okay, so these are the some values which a function can have. While using functions in Microsoft Excel, there are some rules to be followed. They are as all functions must begin with the equal to sign. Then next, the argument of a function must be enclosed within the brackets. So arguments between the brackets, like here starting bracket and ending bracket, the arguments are mentioned using a colon. So using a colon you have to mention the argument. So this colon means that it is a continuous cells, means B4, B5, B6, B7 and B8. Okay, so here it is written that cell range from B4 to B8, means B4 to B8 all cells are included. Then this function adds the values in cells B4, B5, B6 and B8 and displays the result. Okay, so similarly one more example is there. Suppose when multiple ranges cell ranges are to be referred, the cell ranges should be separated by commas. So if you want to give a different range, means you have to provide the different cell address which are not continuous, so then you can give it by giving the commas. Okay, so here as you can see, one range is there, then the next range is there, then one single cell is there. So we'll count all the cells in the three arguments which are included in the parentheses. So it will count all these ranges. Okay, and this count is another function, like sum is a function, this count is another function. Okay, so next we will learn about the functions in Microsoft Excel, what are the different functions. Okay, thank you.